Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now. Use an administrator account and back up critical files to an external drive. Once backed up, disconnect from the internet to prevent the malware calling home. Open Task Manager and locate DLLHost.exe entries, record each PID. Kill only processes whose location or PID you already logged, because legitimate COM surrogate may run. This initial containment reduces active damage and gives you time to analyze file paths and prepare the system for deeper scanning and file removal. Once done with containment, run full scans with both your antivirus and a reputable anti-malware tool. Make sure signatures are updated. Use Process Explorer to trace the DLLHost.exe PID to its originating DLL and parent process, because the Y matters for prevention. Then delete or quarantine the malicious DLL and any associated executables found in startup folders, run keys, or scheduled tasks. Make sure to clean registry entries, referencing the payload, and remove leftover temp files to stop reinfection vectors. Reboot into safe mode to prevent reinjection and run another full scan to confirm removal. Once scans show clean, run sfc/scano and dism to repair system files, and reset browsers to clear malicious extensions. Change all passwords and only reconnect to the network after verification. If the process returns, create a rescue USB, scan offline, and examine event and antivirus logs to find the loader or registry persistence key. If that fails, consider a clean OS reinstall as the definitive solution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.